a slide? Whee! Cool. Is it fun? Is it fun? What about you? You like it? Are you taking over? Are you gonna feed her and everything now? Okay, go. Mama's coming with you. Go, I'm coming. Okay. Well, I don't know if Mama fits in here. Oh no, I don't know if I fit. Go, keep going. Go, I'm kind of big. I'm gonna get in trouble. Keep going, go to the other side.
This side?
Yeah.
I don't fall.
Go, you're not gonna fall, keep going. She thinks she's gonna fall because she can see that. It's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Nayeli, I see you. I'm right here.
This hurts.
Okay.
Keep going. Go, Mama. Ah!
Look, Mama, fire pole. You slide down there.
Made it. Awkward.
Fall to the side.
I know.
Come here, Nayeli. You did it. Yeah, give me 5. Give me 5. You did it, Mama. You raced, Mama. I don't think you lost. Let go, Nayeli. Oh.
So cool. See a rainbow.
That's how the rainbows are formed. Water
Thanks.
and sun.
Oh, look, it goes up. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. It's like right here.
Oh my God, you don't go on much. I feel bad.
Oh shit. No, usually you see him like all the way in the distance and it's right there. Hi, Nayeli. Oh my God. Like it extends. You got something in your shoe? Somebody's out of it. Honk.
Yes. You found a phone. Whose is it? Call. No. Hey.
What are you
Hey,
drinking?
look, there's a spider, Mama.
Whoa. Ah!
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where did the spider go?
I don't know, but it better not be on me.
It better not be on me.
Okay, well, if you see it, kill it.
No. It was climbing from like up there.
Yeah, right.
You guys know we like 8 spiders a year?
Hi, Nayeli. What are you eating or what are you drinking?
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Ow, you stupid.
Hey.
Oh,
Now you get the ball out of there before Mom
go
says
get the ball. I grew a big cherry.
Mommy grew a big cherry. Mommy grew a big cherry. Over here, Mama. Throw it over here. Throw it. Thank you.
Ow!
Why not? You don't want one, or you?
No. Men doesn't have babies.
Oh, men don't have babies. Only women.
Yeah.
Going to the store. Waka. at the store. You gonna buy them all? That's about half of them. Good?
Only tortillas?